Hello, I'm Marva and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can make this top in less than 15 minutes. This is the list of the items you will need. Further along in the video, I will explain why the width is 68 inches. First, cut the cape, which is 68 inches by 8 inches long. Here I fold the fabric in two, and then again I fold it again just to make it easier to manage. The chest measurement for this blouse is 34 inches wide and the length is 18 inches long. After folding the fabric in two, right here I measured 17 inches wide and 18 inches long. From here on, after cutting the fabric, you will have two pieces of 34 inches front and back and 18 inches long. Also, it's very important to add 2 inches seam allowance for the length and 1 inch for the width. The length of the blouse is 18 inches, but you can always add more length to it depending on where you want it to sit on your hip. As I mentioned before, the reason why the cape is 2 times the width or the chest of the blouse is so that when the elastic is added to it, it will give it somewhat of a flowy gather or frill to it. Now I will cut the fabric in two so that you'll have a front and back. After cutting the fabric in two, front and back, I will fold it over again to cut the arm hole. For the arm, I measured 9 inches down, and you can measure 2 to 3 inches wide. After drawing, draw 2 lines, connect the lines, and then shape the arm. fold one side of cape by 1/4 inch 2 times and sew, leaving the other side to attach to the blouse. After joining the 2 sides, fold the armhole 2 times by a 1/4 of an inch and stitch. After sewing the armhole, hem the blouse by doubling and folding the hem 2 times a 1/2 inch. To join the cape and the blouse together, make sure that the blouse is on the right side in, the cape is on the right side in. Fold the cape and the blouse over 2 times by 1 to 1.5 inch, depending on the size of the width of the elastic that you're using. Fold all the way around, pin, and then stitch, leaving about 2 to 3 inches opening to run the elastic. After measuring the elastic around the shoulder for the desired length, use a safety pin to run the elastic through the loop all the way around. Then stitch both ends of the elastic and close the loop on the blouse.